Wingardium Leviosa. Oh shit, that went into someone's garden, bro. Fuck. Oh shit, I hit the church. Should you get one of these on the go? Like a beast one, yeah? You pull this back or some shit. How about there it is? It's like the fuse. Right, it's not doing next to these fireworks.
It's a hell of a box, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just a box of sweets. Oh shit. Fuck, what into the church?
That might be it. Mate, this one's like fucking nuts, man.
Oh, it's pretty gnarly, man. It's like in Toy Story when he puts it to the car.
It is. No, it's fucking nuts.
I think he's Tyson into that, don't we?
No, we need to stick it in the ground like that, fuck, and then run like fuck, because it's like an explosion.
Shit.
The thing is, we can't put it in the ground.
Bro, let's go through the window, man.
Huh?
Let's go through the fucking window. Look at that, the window handle. I should point at the building.
So just go for it.
Yeah, fuck it. Oh shit! Ducking rock. Oh fuck. No, that's different. It's a one-shot one, man.
These ones are the best.
Oh, yeah.
Huh? I'm gonna try just holding it.
Fuck.
Yeah, if it gets hot, I'll chuck it, but...
Don't fucking point this way, man.
Oh shit! Oh shit! That was nuts.
That's cool as fuck.
You've got like fountains. Those are fountains, and then that one's like another like doof, doof, doof. One.
What's the fountain like?
So like a fountain, you know?
They're still rolling, isn't it? The lights
Yeah.
on? Yeah, cool.
Do you do the green fountain?
Yeah, man.
You open the lid. The fuse is in there, like.
We're leaving the box.
Yeah, just leave it in the box, yeah. So like, just like put it there, like, like that, and it just light it on fire. You got a lighter? Yeah, just get that fuse cooking. Oh fuck it, isn't it? Alright, it's going, man. Whoa, it's set. Right. Dope. You alright? Do you want to do that one as well?
Do selection box. No.
Do you want to do this one?
Yeah, there you go.
You like peel the fuse back and then light
Should we
it.
do a few at the same time, no? Should we make it like finale and we get a few left?
Well,
like-
that one's the big one, but there.
It'd be like 3 to 1 and then we both set them off at the same time.
Right, you're right. I'll do this one then, and you do this one.
Yeah.
But where should we do it? Because this one shoots up. So
10 shots. Then.
yeah, should we need to like
What's
get,
like that?
this was like a fountain. Do you want to pull that back? And,
Well, that as well.
yeah. rip it off. That's it. Fuse just to there then.
Let's make a little setup. Yeah. I'll take it over there a little bit in case we need to fucking duck. We can get better in that building.
Like that, there. and then that there. I like. Alright, you like yours and I like mine. And then we'll go, yeah?
Oh yeah. Oh, smoke rings there, man. Slam dunk. Yeah.
Right.
Fuck. They're fucking shooting me now.
No, not. I'll shoot it over there, you know?
Yeah, that.
Right.
Yeah.
Wingardium Leviosa! Oh shit, I went into someone's garden, bro. Oh shit, I hit the church. Man, I don't like this up. Before I do this though, should I just put it flat or should I keep it like this?
I don't know, don't expect me really.
It's gonna be like that or more.
Look at my garden over there. I reckon put it perfectly straight.
Huh?
Put it straight, I would.
The other ones are straight though. There's only one way to find out, isn't there?
If it's bad, we'll have to come and kick it over. Right?
I don't know. Just ride it out. Yeah?
Yeah, fuck it. There'll be 16 shots into that fucking house. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, I think.
Yeah, fucking right.
Which one was your favourite, man?
I don't know, man. It's cool, isn't it? Probably the last one, I think, isn't it?
The last one,
Yeah.
Holding them is so much fun like that.
Yeah.
Stay still, don't move. That's it, shout, don't move, don't move.